Hello guys, today I am going to tell you something about passenger vessels and cargo vessels. This particular tutorial is very important for those aspirants who wants to become a merchant navy officer in future. This is something about a cargo vessel which is called an oil tanker. This particular space is called accommodation where crew or officer can stay. This is a hospital for those crew or officers if they get injured during working or because of some fatality. They tend to be get admitted in a hospital because a vessel is sailing for a long time. This space is called a washing machine room where you can see a lot of washing machines at your dispense where the crew and the officers washes off their clothes on regular basis. These are quite necessary for all the crew and officers as per IMO regulations and MLC 2006 regulation. For those aspirants who wants to become merchant navy officer and intend to serve on board crude oil tank or passengers vessel, this particular room is very important to them. This particular room is called foam room or firefighting room. This is very important for those aspirants and listen to me very carefully. We can fight fire by two means, either by water or foam. But in this arrangement, water and foam we can use both at a time. This particular box is called firefighting box in which all the firefighting equipments are placed. In case of fire, the fireman can lift the box or use this box to wear the firefighting equipments and go to fight the fire.